guys, welcome to Joy and Sunshine. My name is Yanu. Today I'm hoping to spread joy and sunshine to your lives through this video. If it's your first time, please kindly subscribe below, and at the end of the video, if you really do love it, please give me a thumbs up as it helps out with the start of the video. Now just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Peace out. Hola todos, ¿cómo estás hoy? Haha, I just learned Spanish just for that particular role. I don't actually speak Spanish. Welcome once again. Please don't forget to subscribe below and click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. In today's restroom, it is a public restroom, and so it doesn't have a mirror. So at the end of the redecoration, there won't be a mirror. However, the design that was used here can also be used in the bedroom and other parts of the house. I'll show you how it can be used at the end of the video. This is the Arbor PVC electric tape. That's what I used to redecorate the old wall, and it costs just 100 Naira. And you're going to need a pair of scissors. That's all you need. I know, right? Okay, so let's begin. You take off the tag, obviously, and then you're going to cut the tape into either squares or rectangle, depending on the design that you want to make with it. Just simply yank it open through and cut at whatever length you're comfortable with. For me, the hack that I did was that I cut a lot of them down so it won't delay me, like I'm showing you here. I've already cut them down. So let's begin. So I'm going to start with this one. Okay, so one beautiful thing about the PVC electrical tape is that it is water resistant, so it totally works well in the restroom or bathroom area. Hi guys, so I'm done redecorating the bathroom right now, and I'm just going to take you there right now. It took me about 30 minutes in all to complete the redecoration. Here we go. I really do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I was inspired by a picture I saw on www.everythingemilyblock.com. I'll put the link below. This is it, and you can actually turn it to other designs. It doesn't have to be crosses. It can be the equals to sign. It can be the sign here. Here is another picture that I saw on Pinterest. I'll put the link below for you to see. Thank you so much for watching.